Okay, this is the coming down with chord rolling or chord arpeggios blues lick is one name for it, I guess. So we're going to start with the G above middle C. Here's middle C. Here's this G, G octave above. We're going to play this as an octave. And then we're going to come down like this. Then after we do that, we're going to find A and C with 3 and 5. Then we're going to come down to a G minor chord with 1, 2, and 4. So it's going to go. And then you're going to come down, arpeggiate with this G minor chord. Then you're going to find this F major chord. Then you're going to go down to a C7 with the 7th on the bottom and no root. So all of that part. Yeah, this fingering works better actually. And then you're going to roll this down. Go to this D minor chord here. And then down to C major chord. The whole thing slow. A little faster. And a little faster. So in context, it's going to sound like this. As I fudge the last part. So you can take the same thing and transpose it now to the other chords in the blues, right? And it's starting on G for C, which is the 5th. So for F, the 5th is going to be C. So if you did it in F, it would be. So C minor there, my fault. It's the same exact shapes, just in F now. With the E flat, right? And you can also transpose it to G as well. So that's how it goes.